Ito namang ombudsman, inisyuhan ho ng subpina ang Department of Public Works and Highways para kadyat na i-turn over ang gadget ni dating Department of Public Works and Highways Undersecretary Catalina Cabral. May buong detalye dyan si Bombo Grant Hilario.
Yes, Bombo Victor, ito ng Office of the Ombudsman ng araw ang Department of Public Works and Highways upang atasan itong daliin at ipresenta ang mga gadgets na ginamit ang pumanaw ng dating opisyal nito na si Undersecretary Maria Catalina Cabral. Ayon kay Assistant Ombudsman Nico F. Lavano, inilabas ngayong Lunes ang subpoena doon sa SESOM nag-uutos sa Kagura na i-produce ang naturang mga gamit. Aniyaya, kung ito'y na-turn over na, isa sa ilalim ang mga gadgets o devices na inisyo kay Cabral sa malalimang pagsusuri, forensic examination ng law enforcement agency. Paliwanag ni Ombudsman spokesperson Attorney Nico Clavero, ito upang madetermina kung ang data na kapulob ay na-alter, dinalit o di kaya tampered o na-manipula na. Kung kaya tumaasa ang Office of the Ombudsman na susundin at kikilalanin ng Department of Public Works and Highways ang subpoenang inisyu. Layon nila rito ang interes na mapanagot ang mga sangkot sa flood control projects na mali at mapaigting ang integridad na mapapatuloy na investigasyon. Kasunod na natin ang hakbang matapos biglang pumanaw si former Public Works Undersecretary Cabral nang matagpuang patay sa Cannon Road ng Tuba, Benguet. Magugunit ang paliwanag ng Ombudsman ay nais nilang makita o malaman kung sino-sino ang huling mga nakausap sa cellphone ni Cabral bago pa man itong tuluyang mamatay. Narito ating pakinggan si Assistant Ombudsman Nico F. Lavano.
We want to have a hold and take custody of the cell phones and other gadgets of former USEC Cathy Cabral. And obviously, the reason for this is quite obvious dahil gusto natin malaman kung sino-sino po ang kausap niya before this had happened, to see if there's anything in relation to our investigation here with regards to the flood control investigations. We know that former USEC Cathy Cabral is very central to our investigation, and we need to preserve the integrity of all the information that she may have held while she was alive, and especially when she was the USEC of DPWH. There are several information that have reached us, several reports that have reached us, that she has a list of these proponents and the project.
Panawagan ng Office of the Ombudsman na sa sino mang may access sa mga gadgets na gamit ni former Undersecretary Cabral na makipag-ugnayan sa kanilang tanggapan. Pakiusap niya ay ipakita o isumite din sa kanila ang sinasabing kopya muna ng listahan na meron na dating opisyal sa mga proponents na mga proyektong sangkot sa anomalya. Muli, si Assistant Ombudsman Nico F. Lavano.
It's information that has reached us, reports that have reached us na meron talaga siyang listahan sana ng mga tao na nag-insert ng mga projects sa budget. No? So, hindi pa natin nakikita itong listahan. Now, I mean, of course, it's an unfortunate thing that this had happened, pero for those who do have access sana sa kanyang mga computers, whether personal or for work, which may contain itong mga listahan na to, we urge them to please come forward with this list and give the same to us here at the Office of the Ombudsman.
Para sa Bombo Network News, nag-uulat live ito si Bombo Grant Hilario, and this is Bombo Radio Philippines, the #1 and most trusted source of news and information. Basta Radio, Bombo!
For the most trusted source of news and information, visit our website at www.bomboradio.com. Follow us on Bombo Radio mobile app, Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, and X, formerly Twitter. Like, share, and stay connected. Anytime, anywhere.